Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Tricelle. I'm an adult doll collector and I love all things 1/6 scale. I have a TEMU haul that I'm going to be doing for you today, so let's just get right into it. So I do have my kitchen out because I did order some kitchen things. And I am going to be doing a DIY kitchen. I'm not really that good at crafting. I just do the best I can. So when I get that kitchen together, I will show you. But there's other YouTubers that do a way better job than I do. But anyway, so I did order this for my new kitchen because my color palette is going to be different. Like, I love a pink kitchen, don't get me wrong. I love pink. Pink is my favorite color. And if I could, I would do my real life kitchen in pink. But so I got this what is this, like an Instant Pot or crock pot, and it has this lid, and I will try to have the links. A lot of the stuff that I ordered is not available anymore, so I'll put the links to what is available. And I paid $2.99 for this, and it came with this cute little spoon here, which is so adorable. I love this. This is so cute. And so that's the first item. And I guess I didn't really explain, but it has the lid and it has these like little colors to, you know, show on and off. And oh, that little switch here is stationary, it doesn't move. Yeah, so we have that, and it has the little feet. It's a super cute item, so yeah. I did get this microwave here, and all of these say they were for 1/12 scale, but I thought they could fit. I've seen other people unbox these like from other vendors, and this does seem a little bit small. Like, if you see the microwave here in comparison to this one, like, it's a lot smaller, but I mean, it could be doable in a kitchen setting, in my opinion. So yeah. So here we have it, and it does open, which is really cool. Like I said, it is a little small, but I mean, I think you could get away with it depending on the kitchen. I mean, in comparison to the Instant Pot, it's a lot smaller, but like I said, I think you could get away with it. I'm gonna try to get away with it. So I did get this toaster oven here, and this was $2.99 too. So I got this toaster oven here, and I thought it opened, and it has the little knobs, like it has a little opening here, and it has racks, but I can't open it, like it won't open. So I think mine's is defective or something. Yeah, I don't want to break it any further, but anyway, it's super cute. And it has the little feet on it too. And like I said, I got it in this color scheme because my new kitchen is going to match this color scheme. I'm thinking about doing like a navy blue and white kitchen, and I thought this would go good with that particular color scheme. So yeah, we have that here. Yeah, I'm running out of room here for my appliances. Then I ordered these cups here. It has like little coffee in them. Designs here, and I thought they were super cute, and I think this is a really great scale for a Barbie doll, which is my preferred scale, 1/6. I mean, I always say it, my name's Tricelle and I love everything 1/6 scale. But anyway, I just thought these cups were super cute. These shapes right here, that's super cool. So it looks like, yeah, it looks like they all have pairs. So yeah, those are the little coffee cups I bought. I think those are freaking adorable. Then I did get these cups here. It looks like it has like a frozen treat. So these frozen treats come in a multitude of colors, and I do believe they're perfectly scaled for Barbie dolls. And I only did get one blue colored, and then I also had a yellow colored one, and they do have the little charm item there that I'm going to remove so I can use it for the dollhouse. I guess you can make these into jewelry pieces, which is nice. I have all the links in the description box below for anyone who's interested. Then I did order these here. Supposed to be ketchup, but it's brown. So I guess this would have to actually be like barbecue sauce, because that is brown, that is not red. Chocolate sauce here. And from the same vendor, I got this. So we have mayonnaise right here, creamy Skippy peanut butter. I also got these cleaning products as well. They're super cute. Now I do like purchasing from TEMU these little cute little products here versus the Benny brands, but you do run the risk of getting things that are not as considerable, like my barbecue sauce. I mean, my ketchup that looks like barbecue sauce. You know, that's something I feel like that wouldn't have occurred if I had a Mini Brands capsule. So, I mean, there's pros and cons to when you pay, you know, getting a cheaper price. That's all I'm saying. So my final item from this particular vendor was these Nutella jars, which are so adorable. And I did get these little tiny little chocolates. They are perfectly sized for our dolls here. They're so tiny and cute. I love them. So I did get these cookies, the little canister cookies. They're like the butter cookies. And I think they're super adorable and they're perfectly scaled for our dolls. I did order these macarons. It said it was 1/12 scale and they were $1.48. And as you can see, they are more like hamburgers. They are a little bit too large or overscaled for even a 1/6 scale doll. But for $1.48, I mean, they're gonna be doable, so yeah. But I ordered this right here and it's like super tiny, like in comparison to this. Like, it's just too small. So I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger. I mean, they had the measurements up there and I thought that it said it was gonna be larger, and this is actually not even available anymore, but I am gonna return this, but yeah. So I did order this wine along. It came with 2 wine glasses that had liquid or appears to have liquid in them. This was $2 or $1.98, I should say. And I think it's adorable and perfectly sized for our dolls. Then I ordered this pitcher of water with lemon in it, and it came with 2 cups of water with lemon in it. It's absolutely adorable, and again, perfectly scaled for our 1/6 scale dolls. Then I ordered some more frozen treats. They are pastel in color and multiple colors, and they have sprinkles on the top. 2 of them did not want to stay on the table upright because the bottom of the glasses are square, and then the other 2 are round, so they were able to sit up straight. But they are so cute, and again, perfectly scaled for my 1/6 scale world. And one of the final items that goes in the kitchen is this cute utensil holder. It's a spatula, well, 2 spatulas, slotted spoons, and then a soup spoon. And it's so cute. It has a little bit of weight to it. And I do plan on hanging this in my new kitchen once I get it all designed. But this is probably my favorite find of the day. Like, I love this so much. So now we're at the home decor stage where I'm going to show you items that I found. And the first thing was this cute little acrylic table. It was $3.48, which is awesome. So I'm going to get it put together and show you what it looks like. So I did purchase this dog. It was $4 and it is pink, and I thought it would be cute as first a pet, but now that I'm looking at it, it's more home decor, so yeah. So I did order this Fabergé egg. It was $6 and it is actually a jewelry case holder. You can put your jewelry items in there, so it has a dual purpose. And since I can't own a real Fabergé eggs, I thought it would be cool if my doll did. So it is a bit large, but I love it. I'm still going to use it. So I did get these charms. They were 98 cents. You can use them for jewelry. Obviously, I'm going to use them in my dollhouse. It is of the Eiffel Tower, and I thought they just were cute little home decor items, even though they're really small, especially compared to that egg. That egg is huge. So I did get this magic wish lamp. That's the name of the listing on TEMU. It was $2 and some change. I don't know why I got it. I thought it was adorable. It's going with the scheme. We're going for extravagance. So yeah. And then also I got this lamp. It is a working lamp. It was $1.30, $1.32 I think, or $1.38 or something like that. It was very inexpensive for a working lamp, and it's super cute. So I did get the Defa Lucy doll. I was showing her in the packaging, but my camera wasn't recording. But here she is. I wanted her specifically because of the outfit that she has on. Like, that was the reason why I wanted her, and she is articulated. I purchased this doll here on TEMU for $9. They were having a flash sale on her, so I got her, and I again wanted her for her shoes and this beautiful outfit. So let's talk about the articulation for this doll. So this doll has movement at the head, the arms, the shoulder, the wrist. She doesn't have any chest articulation, and she has a knee, and her foot is on an incline. I think she's really cute, and I love her big doughy eyes. I like her natural makeup. I love her hair in this ponytail. I was happy. I've been wanting a Defa Lucy doll, but I didn't want to pay $20. That's the prices I had been seeing. I don't think necessarily on this doll, because I did see this doll on Shein for like, I think it was like $10 or $12 or something like that. But when I saw TEMU had that flash sale for $9.11, I just jumped on it. So yeah. And like I said, I love her shoes, like her natural white heels. Those are so cute. So I'm going to see if this suit, because it barely fits her. Look, it's barely hanging on. But I'm going to try this outfit on other dolls. Give me 1 second. So here is the outfit on my petite Barbie doll, and it's a little big on her. It's roomy on the sides. The back is not really working out. I mean, it does close in the back, but the pants are really long on her. So I am going to try it on a classic made to move Barbie and see what that looks like. So here is the outfit on a classic made to move Barbie doll, and it fits really well. It fits just like it did on the Defa Lucy doll, so it's super cute. And here is how it looks in the back on the classic made to move Barbie doll. And unfortunately, these shoes cannot fit a classic Barbie, a curvy Barbie, let alone a petite. And oh my goodness, the Defa Lucy toes are defined. Like, okay, I'm here for that. So I did get this outfit from TEMU. It was $3.98, and it's super cute. And I'm happy to report that it can fit all of my dolls. So here it is from the front. This is how it looks in the back. It has absolutely no closures, no Velcro. This is how it looks on a classic made to move Barbie doll. Here's the outfit on my curvy doll, and it fits her really cute. It is a little bit snug, but it is doable, and I love it. Oh my goodness, and I forgot to show you this camera. I got this camera for $1.38 on TEMU. It said it was 1/12 scale, but it does look a little big for the dolls, but I'm still going to use it, so yeah. Then I did get this fashion pack here. I got it for $2.98. I did have a coupon, so that's why it was extremely discounted, but I'm gonna try it on all the dolls. So here we have this black dress with like a mauve pink feathers on the bottom. It does Velcro in the back. It doesn't really give my doll, I don't like the shape of it, as you can see, but I'm gonna try it on a curvy. So here is the outfit on my curvy doll, and it's cute. It fits better. I like the way the sleeves hang on the curvy versus the classic made to move body. And then I'll show you what it looks like in the back. Then we have the next dress. It has a floral pink top with a mauvey pink skirt. I really like this. It's super cute. I love the way it fits on the classic made to move Barbie doll. All of the dress is Velcro in the back, and here is how it looks. Here is the dress on the curvy, and it's super cute on the curvy as well. I absolutely love it on her. Here is the dress on a petite Barbie doll, and it looks cute on her as well. So this is a winner all the way around. I have to say, all the items in the fashion pack fit all the dolls, so that's the good thing. And again, they all Velcro in the back. And here it is on the Defa Lucy doll. It fits her cute too. So I do have this outfit. This is another dress. Again, it Velcros in the back. It is cinched at the end, and it looks adorable on the curvy. This is her dress. And in an effort to speed things along, I'm just going to try this on the curvy because we all know it works on all the dolls. But this is adorable, and I love the stripes on the bottom of the dress. Here is how it looks in the back. Then we have this checker printed dress with a bow in the front. I think this is adorable as well. And again, in an effort to save some time, I know it fits all the dolls. I'm just not going to show it. And if you do want to see it, just check my Instagram. I will have pictures there, but it's adorable. I love this outfit. This is the last final item, and the last dress is polka dots. It has small polka dots, larger polka dots, black and white. It's super cute. I love it. It does fit again on all the dolls, but in an effort to save time, I'm just going to move it right along, and it's adorable. So yes, I love everything out of the fashion pack. So I want to give a shout out to Sweet Serenity 007, also Mini Toy Collector, Breeze Barbs, the Dollhouse Curator, Pink Mimi King. Also want to give a shout out to Little Bear Doll, My Toy World, Paula Ferreira Reborn, Stace Toy Channel. Thank you so much for always commenting and watching my content and just being so kind in the comments. I appreciate each and every one of you. Of course, I am going to start doing shout outs on all my videos, so if you want me to give you a shout out, just make sure you're subscribed to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Leave me a nice comment and I will shout you out in my next video. If you did like this content, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm at Mama Doll Boss. And if you have not subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. Again, I truly appreciate each and every one of you. I love you guys so much. I hope you have a super fantastic day. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.